guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Annie Stacy here, and I want to wish you guys a happy new year because this is my first video for the new year 2024 and I haven't seen you guys in a long time. So yeah, in today's video I wanted to come on and share with you some apartments that I've been looking at. So I saw a couple of them which I'm gonna share with you guys. I'm gonna share the apartments, the price points. Yeah, so you're gonna see and judge for yourself. Let me know which was your favorite or which is your favorite of all the apartments I'm gonna show you. And yeah, I'm just gonna share details in the video as we go, and you're just gonna listen to us talk about those apartments. So by the way, these apartments are in Maryland, so if you're looking for apartments, maybe you want to stick around and watch this till the end. So without any delay, let's get into the first apartment.
Two bathrooms, 943 square feet, fully updated and appliance. Since we are in a even number floor, the kitchen is two-toned, white and gray. 2, 4, and 6 is white, gray, and then the floor is like a beige color, like a more color. In 1, 3, and 5, it is dark wood cabinets, and then the flooring is like gray. It's like, it's more of a different aesthetic, you know.
These are one of the things I was, yeah, I was like, it's an issue.
No, should be fine. So technically, the price is $23.84 all throughout December. So you can move in like December 30th if you wish to.
Okay.
For that rate. Okay.
Me too, I'm like...
This little area, it's literally, you can put your desk here out of sight. There's one of the rooms that we... So the only...
I do, actually.
Doesn't get to here. Okay, so that's what we do. Let me take you downstairs to take a look at the amenities, and that way we can go back to the office.
California bound.
So this right here is the lobby area. It's open for residents and guests alike. At your discretion, basically, you can use it at any time. It's always open here. Our concierge usually sits right over there.
Okay.
After 4 p.m. Key itself to open it up, and you can just take it.
Oh, sorry.
So, we're here. You can also be out here with friends, family, guests, the same, because we have to share this common areas with a lot of more people, so we have to make sure that it's available.
Oh, excellent. You know why? Oh, it's
So
crazy.
packages go in here. Amazon lockers, if it's a smaller package, they'll go directly to a locker. So bigger packages in general, they have to be outside. This area is basically an area where you can do your remote work or you're going to
Yeah.
come down here. If you have a meeting, a Zoom party, you can just come down. This is totally being built.
You guys are welcome to the office for 4 hours, or you're more than welcome just to come on down and chill for free.
Oh, so like if you have a meeting. Oh.
If you have a meeting, or if you just don't want people in your apartment. Now this is our workspace area. All you need to do until 10 o'clock. So far?
No.
Alright, next, the one amenity here that is 24 hours is going to be our gym.
Oh, okay.
You can work out anytime.
It looks pretty great. Okay. Okay. Good, good.
Guys, feel free to explore around. Now, the master bedroom is the one to the right. Everyone likes the one to the left a little more though.
Ah, let's see, I see how it look.
You also get a full-size pantry.
Yeah, pretty big.
It is very big. Did you see the washer and dryer too?
Oh,
The washer and dryer is Bluetooth, so you can connect your phone to it, it tell you when it's finished, and you can start the sockets from your phone.
oh, that's cool.
Yeah, it's fancy.
So is it the same layout as the one on the second floor?
Yeah, sometimes the only difference could be if it's on that side of the hallway, then it's flipped.
Oh, okay.
This is the only difference between all the units. Now our top floor units come with extra windows, but we don't have anything on the top floor right now.
Oh, okay.
Have dishwasher behind as well, but you get a lot of storage on this island right. So if you guys want it. No problem at all. So, let's see. So you do have to pay utilities here as well. You got to pay water. So this is the bedroom that we're going to see. The countertops will be raised right at that. Exactly how you just seen it. So your microwave will be above the stove and this will still be tall.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay.
Right here, are you familiar with the area?
Not really.
You notice that just changed?
Yes.
That's the bus schedule. Then it has the schedule for the Metro, the MARC, and Amtrak, because they all run out of there. Now the weather or any of that, so you can get your coffee, see when you need to run down the street, and you can access all of that from right. You can just come and sit and relax. I'll help you around to where it's located so you can see that. And then I do have a 1-bedroom minimally so you can see like what the flooring is going to look like, the appliances, that. First, we have a lot of equipment. So we also have a gym across the street. We have a little clubhouse area across the street.
Okay.
So everything is duplicated. It is one thing over here that we have that they don't have over there, which is a theater room.
Oh, okay.
You can, that's tall for your water bottle, so you can put your filtered water in your water bottle. You control the TV by the iPad on the wall. But we have another apartment and condo. This room has a full-size refrigerator and freezer because we have a warming oven. So if you had a party, you could bring all your stuff at one time, store it in the refrigerator there, and then warm it up in the warming oven. You still have your ice maker and all that stuff. So
Okay.
I'm gonna go out here.
Ta-da!
So you have a grill there, you have a sink, refrigerator, ice maker. Remember I was saying the metro station is right like at the
Oh, yeah.
so if you want to come over here. See the metro metro is right on the corner there.
Oh yeah.
So you're that close. It's like, depending upon how fast or slow you walk,
Wow.
it's probably like a 5-minute walk. if
Yeah.
that. So the building over there also has a rooftop terrace, which you'll have for your use. And this is not your apartment, but it'll give you some sense of what the cabinets look like, what the bathrooms look like. Closet. Again, this is a 1-bedroom apartment.
Yeah.
And if you come in here, you're gonna have a full-size washer and dryer, stackable like this, and you'll have a closet, but everything is gonna be different because it's a different unit. But I'm gonna give you a floor plan when we get downstairs. And
Let me go.